Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Tap to Pay on Cash App. To get started, open Cash App on your device. From the home screen, tap on the card section to access your Cash Card settings. Once you are there, tap on your Cash Card or tap the three dots in the top right corner of the card to open more options. This will bring up a menu with additional features for your card. If you are using an iPhone, select the option that says Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Apple Pay. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and add your Cash Card to your wallet. Depending on your account, you may need to verify your information before the setup is completed. For Android users, the process is almost the same. Select the option to add your Cash Card to Google Pay. Follow the instructions on your screen to finish the setup process. When you are ready to make a purchase on an iPhone, double-click the side button, verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold the top of your phone near the contactless payment reader until the transaction is completed. On Android devices, open Google Pay if needed, confirm the payment, and hold your phone near the payment terminal until you receive confirmation that the payment was successful. Thanks for watching.